So continuing on from what we're doing, looking at the error codes of no startup and no gas supply in this scenario. So this unit will not light now because there is no gas flowing to it.
Yes. What's the error code? It's 08A. So we are now going to check what the fire is doing. The fire did pass the first step. We heard the first beep, and we saw the spark coming out of the rod. So then we know that we have to look for the problem in phase 4, because normally in phase 3, phase 3 is where the gas comes in and where the fire should light. We didn't see the gas coming in, so the fire is not lit. We are now going to the page where the gas supply is in orange. It's on page 5, and we will check what is the problem of and the cause of the problem. It says the remote control, and normally the receiver, the ignition transformator can be faulty because we heard the beep and we see the spark. So we have to check the gas pressure. So what are we going to do? We take our gas pressure machine. That's this one, for example. This is a Testo 510.
Or gas manometer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I put it on 0, and I put the tube on it, and then I will open the small screw that you can find next to it. This small screw, you can normally, when you come at a new gas fire, you can unscrew it, and then normally you can purge the gas pipe that brings the gas towards the gas plug. So to measure the gas pressure, I open it and I put my machine on it. You see, it gives like 0 millibar. So this means that I don't have any gas coming at my gas plug. So there we found already the cause of the problem. There's a problem at the bottle, or maybe there's somewhere the pipe is
blocked.
blocked.
The line, perhaps a vein of some sort. Yep.
Yeah, exactly. Now we are going to solve the problem. We will open the bottle.
Mm-hmm.
So I measure again. Let's have a look if I have the wrong one. And then we see we have 37.67 millibars. So that could do the job, because normally on the bottle is indicated 30 millibars, so that's sufficient. And what we also will do is we will measure again the gas pressure when we light the fire. So we put our thumb on the on-off button. We see OK, and we start the fire. It gets warm, so I let go all the buttons.
Standard ignition process.
Yeah.
Messages go
Look
through.
also to the gas pressure.
During the ignition process.
Yeah.
It's actually lighting up, by the way.
So you see that your gas pressure drops down. Not dramatically, but
Within tolerance, it's all.
yeah. Normally it's allowed to drop like 1 millibars. So now it dropped like 0.5 millibars. So that's not a lot.
And then we've identified that in that scenario, problem solved.
Yeah, exactly.